Hello and welcome to the session. Developing individuals, teams and organizations LO1 appraise the use of high-performance working HPW and culture in supporting sustainable business performance. Are you ready to explore how high-performance working can transform your organization? This video delves into the strategic benefits of high-performance working and culture. Discover how these elements drive sustainable business performance. This unit provides knowledge crucial for careers in human resource development. It covers diagnosing skills and development needs for employees and personal career goals. Students learn about high-performance workplaces and strategic benefits. Professional development is key to improving team and organizational performance. The unit lays foundations for lifelong learning and contribution to sustainable growth. High-performance working is a concept and approach to improve strategy development. It enhances competitive advantage and employee relations. HRM practices support high-performance working. Characteristics of high-performance organizations include employee benefits and overcoming barriers. Ethical considerations are vital in promoting high-performance working. Organizational culture refers to shared values and norms influencing employee behavior. A strong culture enhances engagement and performance. Shine's model identifies 3 culture levels: artifacts, espoused values, and assumptions. Hofstede's dimensions explore cultural values' impact on workplace behavior. Culture plays a crucial role in high-performance organizations. Integrating high-performance working with culture creates a high-performance identity. Empowerment and autonomy align with high-performance practices. Continuous learning supports skill enhancement and growth. Recognition and rewards reinforce high-performance motivation. This integration ensures high performance becomes part of the organizational ethos. Google exemplifies high-performance culture integration. Employee involvement fosters creativity and innovation. Skill development through workshops enhances professional growth. Transparent performance management focuses on personal growth. Reward systems offer competitive salaries and bonuses for high performance. High-performance organizations empower employees and involve them in decisions. Continuous learning opportunities enhance skills. Robust performance management systems provide feedback and appraisals. Strong communication ensures transparency across levels. Innovation and creativity are encouraged through suggestion schemes. High-performance working benefits employees with job satisfaction and autonomy. Employers gain enhanced productivity and innovation. Improved skill sets and lower turnover benefit both parties. Stronger organizational culture and loyalty are developed. Financial performance and competitive edge are significantly improved. Resistance to change is a major barrier to high-performance working. High training costs and lack of trust hinder implementation. Aligning practices with existing culture can be challenging. Measuring impact and ensuring consistency are difficult. Limited resources and managing diverse needs pose additional challenges. Cultural awareness supports high-performance working in diverse environments. Inclusivity and diversity enhance collaboration and reduce conflicts. Effective cross-cultural communication is vital for global operations. HR practices should adapt to cultural contexts for relevance. Organizations like Microsoft and IBM exemplify cultural sensitivity in high performance. UK Versity Online offers a range of online courses and qualifications. The institution emphasizes high-performance working for employee engagement. Flexible and accessible learning platforms drive sustainable performance. High-performance practices enhance employee involvement and development. This strategic approach ensures long-term business success. UK Versity Online empowers employees through decision-making involvement. Continuous learning opportunities keep skills current. Performance management aligns with organizational goals. Flexible work arrangements promote work-life balance. A collaborative culture encourages teamwork and cooperation. Empowerment enhances job satisfaction and motivation. Continuous learning fosters professional growth and investment. Open communication builds trust and transparency. Flexible work arrangements improve work-life balance. These factors collectively boost employee engagement and commitment. High-performance culture drives productivity and efficiency. Continuous training enhances skill sets and reduces errors. A collaborative environment improves education quality. Attracting top talent gives a competitive edge. These practices ensure sustainable growth and market relevance. Employee engagement leads to satisfaction and productivity. Professional development improves education quality. Innovation fosters unique programs and services. Organizational agility allows quick market adaptation. These benefits drive long-term success and sustainability. UK Versity Online offers regular training and development sessions. Employee empowerment in decision-making enhances ownership. Flexible work arrangements improve job satisfaction. Collaborative culture leverages diverse skills and perspectives. These practices exemplify high-performance working in action. High-performance working enhances employee engagement through empowerment. Continuous learning opportunities foster growth. Performance management and feedback increase commitment. Reward systems improve satisfaction and loyalty. These practices collectively enhance organizational performance. High-performance practices boost employee commitment. Clear goals and feedback enhance purpose. Fair reward systems improve satisfaction and loyalty. Empowerment and involvement increase alignment with goals. These factors ensure a dedicated and committed workforce. High-performance working fosters innovation and creativity. Organizational agility ensures adaptation to changes. Unique capabilities and resources provide a competitive edge. Empowered employees contribute to sustainable advantage. These practices position organizations for long-term success. UK Versity Online achieves high engagement through empowerment and learning. Commitment is enhanced by performance management and fair rewards. Innovation and agility maintain competitive advantage. These practices ensure market relevance and growth. UK Versity exemplifies high-performance working success. In conclusion, appraising the use of high-performance working and organizational culture is essential for supporting sustainable business performance. High-performance working practices enhance employee engagement, skills development, and productivity, while a strong, positive culture promotes shared values, commitment, and continuous improvement. Together, HPW and culture create an environment where individuals and teams can perform at their best and adapt to change. Understanding their role enables organizations to build resilience, drive long-term success, and maintain a competitive advantage. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.